Smile, Maggie, you're on camera. Is this your new boat, Maggie?
Not mine, it's his.
It's a pity you locked it up. I wouldn't mind looking in it.
It's all very temporary in there. It's a bit scary.
Is it a bit scary?
There's sticky tape and
That looks so
other
cool.
dodgy things involved.
Did you design it and build it, or you build off plans, or kit? Zip kit.
Zip kit. Dodgy
you go.
tin in there.
That doesn't look too bad. She's got some big batteries in her. Ooh. There you go. I like the paint job. Who did that?
Group effort.
I like it. It's really cool.
Don't lose it.
That's all. Turn if you can.
The rescue boat there, was
Yeah.
picking him up, I suppose.
Maggie doing her stuff.
Well, no, yeah, see, the tide, well, like 9:15.
Yeah. Just with the wind in the hull. Yeah. I put foam in there to stop it
Oh dear. Does it nose down?
Yeah,
Does it?
the faster you go, the more it pulls down.
Now, let's have a look here. She's into it.
Her other boat has a car one. So you've got to reverse it and brake before you
Got him.
On the other shore now.
Yeah, push him right over the other shore.
Oh, thank you very much. Well done, Maggie. Well done.
Don't do fast rescues, we do slower.
That works good, though.
Yeah.
So, here we are in the canal again. No roadworks this week.
It's nice.
Trying to get everyone in shot. Where's Maggie? Maggie's going to shove me round. She can do that if she wants. I'm beastly careless. And we're going for it, ladies and gentlemen, with the battleship. And there goes the little guppies come in the back of the shot.
That's good, we've got a little rescue boat now.
And someone to drive it's the main thing.
Yeah, someone with good eyesight.
Someone with good eyesight.
Yeah, that's
That's
another
what
thing.
you need. That's half the battle. I think.
So it's yeah, batteries, but that's okay. Looks good, Wayne. Looks good. Where you going, Maggie? Little guppy's making some funny noises, Bill. This is Harry's boat. And the boys coming back. I've just come back a bit quicker than them. Wayne's patrol boat. This is the inside of Wayne's patrol boat. Couple of big ass motors in there, Wayne.
Yeah,
Pretty good. No wonder. So this is what's inside the little fishing boat, and this is a Aeronaut. What is it? Aeronaut what? Maui. That's right. Look at that tiny little motor in there. All that effort and that tiny little 1200 7.2 volt. It went all the way that distance. And that's what's inside Little Guppy, the tiny little motor up the front there.
It's not so tiny.
Yeah, it's not, is it? It's quite big. Is that brushless or brushed? Brushed. Tiny little... I'll just screw him out to show him. He says it's very hard. He's going to change the motor to a smaller size can motor, a smaller brush motor, but it's very hard to get up there and get it out. His hand doesn't fit. Probably a good job for Maggie.
It's the wrong colour.
This is a little...
You're going to put that on YouTube.
Yeah, I'll send you a link. That's what yeah. So this is a Fremantle patrol boat, which is actually Fremantle.
Oh.
Mr. Judge, what's the go?
$50.
$50.
Minimum
Put your
price.
hand out, put your hand out. There you go. See, ladies and gentlemen, man of public office in public doing stuff like that.